In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct an online exam in Google Classroom. With the increasing trend towards digital education, having the ability to seamlessly conduct exams online is essential for educators everywhere. We'll guide you through the process in just 5 minutes, ensuring you can implement this effectively in your classroom. Let's dive in. First, we need to create the exam using Google Forms, which is a great tool for building and distributing online quizzes or tests. To get started, open your browser and type in docs.google.com forms. Once you're there, you'll see an option to start with a blank form, so go ahead and click on the blank button to create a fresh form. Next, it's time to give your exam that all-important title. Consider what your exam covers and input something appropriate like history midterm exam. This will make it clear for your students and keep everything organized. Once your form is titled, it's time to add the questions. Google Forms supports a variety of question formats, so you can include multiple choice, short answer, or even paragraph questions depending on what suits your needs best. This flexibility allows you to tailor your exam to accurately test your students' understanding in a manner that suits the subject matter. Now let's move on to enabling quiz mode. Click on the settings icon at the top of the Google Forms page, navigate to the quizzes tab, and then toggle on the option labeled "Make this a quiz." Doing this will allow Google Forms to auto-grade your exam, reducing your workload and providing immediate feedback to your students, should you choose to release scores immediately. When you're in the quizzes settings, don't forget to set the point values and indicate the correct answers for each question. This is crucial for ensuring the auto-grading feature works properly and scores the exams accurately. With the exam all set up in Google Forms, it's time to attach it to Google Classroom. Open Google Classroom and navigate to the class where you want to assign the exam. Click on the classwork tab and then select create and choose the option that says quiz assignment. After that, it's time to add a title and some clear instructions for your students so they know exactly what is expected of them. This step ensures there is no confusion or ambiguity about the exam's requirements. To attach your Google Form exam, click on the attach button, then choose Google Drive and select the form you created earlier. Now your exam is linked with your classroom, ready for your students to access. It's also important to consider how you will monitor the exam. If you need live supervision, you can use Google Meet and request your students to keep their cameras on during the exam. Additionally, you can track student responses in real time by going to the Responses tab in your Google form. And there you have it, a streamlined, efficient way to conduct online exams using Google Classroom. By following these steps, you can offer a structured, seamless exam experience for your students, ensuring they are assessed fairly and promptly. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your online exams.